In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a background song to your Snapchat after you have made your recording of either a photo or a video. Most commonly, it would be a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record a quick video just like this. So I'll just let it run for a little bit longer. There we go. So that would be my Instagram video. And then what you can do is you can see there's a panel on the right hand side of the screen, and you can see a music icon somewhere near the bottom. Tap on the music icon. That's going to load up all the popular songs, so you can see all of them. You can scroll down. I think they've added quite a few since my last video, so that's great. All you would need to do is pick your song. So I'll pick this Peaches song, and then at the bottom bar you can select where you want the song to start. I'll just leave it like that. Now I've got it on mute for copyright reasons, but then I'll just tap on the tick mark, and then that song is in my snap after I have made my recording, and I can move the song text around wherever I would like. And that would be how you add a song to your Snapchat after recording. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.